provided for under Section 5(4), rising to the Court of Appeal before ultimately ascending to the esteemed office of the Chief Justice. Number, please. Remove. Yes, the CJ1 number plate is being handed over by
the judiciary, and the judges and the judicial officers are the custodians of our Constitution. We can't tire to continue reminding ourselves of that responsibility. And as such, it is now my great pleasure to hand over to the Deputy Chief Justice, who is continuing to act the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya to maintain the rule of law.
Constitution is being handed over to the acting Chief Justice, Lady Justice Honorable Mena Mbete Mwilo, the acting Chief Justice. The next to be handed over is the judiciary flag, the institutional flag, to signify the transfer of authority to the acting Chief Justice.
Mr. Justice David Maraga has achieved during his distinguished tenure as Chief Justice. For these are well known to those on the bench, in the bar, across the judiciary, the legal fraternity, and indeed, the nation at large. But with your leave, my Lord Chief Justice, allow me to say a short, very personal tribute for you as a judge and jurist for whom I have much admiration and respect. From your admission to Sironga Primary School in 1961, to your admission to the bar in 1978, to your selection as chairman of the Rift Valley Law Society in 1987, to your appointment as Chief Justice, as Judge of the High Court in 2003, to your promotion as Judge of Appeal in November 2011, to your elevation to the position of the Chief Justice of the Republic in 2016, and to this important day, yours, my Lord, has been a life of service, a professional and personal example characterized by hard work, honesty, and integrity, fidelity to the rule of law and the Constitution, and most importantly, obedience to and faith in God.
And the CJ boards his private car to leave the judiciary for the last time. A historical day